welcome to my channel Chaotic Curvy Mama. I hope you all are doing well. Today we have come to East Himalayan Trade Expo, Agri Expo, which has been held in AEI field, that is Assam Engineering Institute field in Chanmari. It's a free entry and you know I'm a big time Mela enthusiast, so I couldn't have missed that. So that's like your entry point, and the parking are specifically marked. You can see there is 4-wheeler parking, 2-wheeler parking. There is food court where all kind of ethnic food and beverages are being prepared. And this whole area is the Mela area. We are entering the premises. There are candles. And these are handmade jewelry.
They're baby soap.
Baby soap?
Ball and these are all baby soap and these are for adults.
This is made of
Shea butter.
there's all kind of handlooms and waistcoat. This is around 12k. It is made of muga. There are carpets. They are all kaftan. It looks like Zardosi work. Ekhini wrapper niki apunar? Wrapper hoy. Kiman man pore?
650.
And different jewelries. These are beaded ones. Ebor Manipuri wrapper niki? These are beautiful jewelries. Costume jewelries. Again, look at the waistcoats. These are mudris. These are all handmade jewelries. That runners. There are placemats. There is fridge magnets.
We made it out of marble dust.
Marble dust.
Yeah. Tripura cane actually. This won't get dark.
Made khadi bags. These are so beautiful. This is made of wooden dust. Eto kihedi bonwa? Gisa. And these are wrappers. Eri stall. Kiman man pore eri stall bila?
It is 1400
Wrapper, no? Kenuka pore wrapper bila?
It is 650 hoy tata
Ki kapur?
it is nogar hoy.
Jewelry, Assamese jewelry, beaded jewelry. A lot of beaded jewelries. The pins, these are brooch pins. And these are magnets, all handmade. To stole? Wrapper करके? कैसा पड़ता है? 550. और ये भी है स्टोल. छोटा अच्छा. This is called lurum. Lirum. और ये सब की चेन्स कितने का?
100.
All Naga shawls. How beautiful they are, and they are very warm. The very pretty candles and soaps. Look at this. Bihu team, very nice. This is a tribute to Jubin Garg. His whole song has been carved in this candle. So these are very nice handmade flowers, and these are bendable. Last fair that I took, I couldn't bend the stick. These are very cute placemats, you know, for your temple or your side tables. You can be charging 200 for this, but it's really big in size. I really like that. Cute socks, shoes, lots of clothes, lots of mekhela chadars of Tos, Muga, Eri. They're all planters. And these are again all jewelries, all beaded jewelries. I really like this piece. Beaded earrings. And for all silver junkies, this is the place to come. Wood and cane products. These are cups. These are bottles. And these are lamps. Chair with lots of jaggery, joharais, black wheat. There you see again handloom products are here. Mekhela chadars, skirts and the waistcoat. Ebila kiman ke starting? 550. There's a store full of different candies. These are all Manipuri jewelries, cane jewelries, and these are pure cotton handkerchiefs. There is shawls, there is stoles, which are very warm. This I have used personally. These are very warm. This is again a muffler. You can use it as a runner. These are beautiful jackets for young kids, for elderly, and these are mufflers, wrappers, jewelries, Assamese jewelries. This is a wrapper skirt with a jacket. Different jewelries, rings, These are waistcoats, mekhala chadars. That stall is from Food Corporation of India. Food Corporation of India has done a great job by bringing in rice of different states. But India is so agriculturally advanced. Different states have different rice. Few are aromatic, few are non-aromatic. They are giving it in government prices, surprisingly. Like the Orissa rice, it's around 28 rupees out here. But if you need to buy it from the market, that would cost you around 50. Andhra Sona Masoor. Does it smell? Smell? Once I cook.
While cooking, aroma will come.
That's Assam rice. These are from Chhattisgarh. Mota jeera full rice.
कुकर में मत बनाइए.
अच्छा वो पानी फेंक के बनाना है इसको. Oh, this is from Haryana. Permal rice. This is from Orissa. It's called Masuri rice. Rice is from Telangana. And it's called BPT rice. You can see a lot of waistcoats. You see how prettily she did of Jubin Garg. Raisin art. Very aesthetically done trays and side tables. Tables bila?
Tables black, econ 5,500, econ 6,500.
Aru apunar cupcake or
2,500.
how nice this is. All handmade. I really like this one. She said it to be around 1,200. You can put it in your garden, in your out, and look at this. This is also so nice. Look at this. There's a placemat. There's a cushion covers. And then look at the paintings behind. It's a very pretty cushion cover. These are all ethnic, local to Assam. All traditional designs, traditional motifs. She has got more. See, a lot of collection, and actually you can contact her for customization. She makes everything from sofa covers to runners. Who handlooms? That's Riha for you. That's stalls. This is beautiful. This is from Tos Muga, and it would cost you around 1,800. Sador. Mekhala sador. You can see these are pure Muga sets. Like Kanjivaram, Banarasi, we invest on that. So if you're in Assam, please do invest in Muga. Look at the kind of handwork. These are all handwork, not machine movement. But what I like most is the gamusa. So this is cotton, pure cotton, and pat, which is another silk. So this is mixed. That would cost you around 800, and this again would cost you close to 1,800 because this is pure pat. So this is silk, Assam silk. For gifting purpose, these are perfect. It's all handmade crochet work. This is Kamakha Mandir. These are Dimasa gamusas, Dimasa towel, and it's big. Really nice. Etu kiman man poribo? Costume jewelries. Plus they have agarbattis. So she says that this is made out of waste flowers that we put it in temples. So they recycle it and make the agarbatti. Wow, this is so nice. And there is wine for you. This is ginger honey wine. This is star fruit wine. Raisin clocks. Raisin earrings. There's a raisin bangles. Beautiful bookmarks. These are all handmade. Dry flowers. See? Something very interesting that I see. There is black rice poha. These are all cookies, cupcakes. Look at the variety.
Also cookies. And this is coconut cookies.
Oh, these are
Black
all black rice special. Look at this black rice cupcake. Black rice masala laddus.
Black rice donuts.
Donuts. You want first the benefit of black rice, and secondly, look at the product. Right from laddus to muffin to choco balls. Black rice choco balls. Oh. See, if you like, then I'll take it for you. You liked it? Yeah? Missing mekhala chadars. Look at the designs. Look at this. Furnitures, cane furnitures, different jewelries, earrings. These are from Kolkata. These are all jute bags. Face mats are there. These are pillow covers. and cushion covers. Beauty of the jewelry. They have different skirts that I see. These are all Nepali traditional neckwears. These are the blouses. Coats, the waistcoats. And look at this, the long jackets.
Egita 180, Egita 80.
80 rupees.
A2 to skirt হয়, Egita wrapper.
Oh, A2 wrapper, huh?
এখন আছে, দুই তিনিখন embroidered আছে অসমীয়া মোটিভ,
Okay.
stretchable.
Oh, yeah.
আৰু এইটো problem নাথাকে, sleeveless-টো আছে stretchable.
কিমান মান পৰে এইবিলাক blouses?
এইবিলাক around 1500 মান আহে।
1500. Yeah.
Around 1600 মানত আহি যায়।
Okay. The footwears are of 699. And really like this horai. They have nameplates. See, there's a handmade bags, very cute. That's a minion bag. These are lovely jewelry, kind of sportswear, socks, shorts. This is carpet. This is from Thailand. There are pain relief oils, there are pain relief balm. This works for almost everything, right from cramps to insect bite to headache to itching. I would highly recommend this inhaler. It has got a lot of spices and it really opens up your nasal block. There's a different kind of masalas. There's chicken masala, there's red chili powder, there's mutton masala, that's a bay leaf powder. There's ginger powder. I also have the famous Lakatong turmeric powder. And these are banana chips, ginger candies, amla candies. The tongs are so cute and interesting. Eco-friendly. My god, that man has got a thick hair. This Adivasi oil. These bags. Look at the jute mats. They have a stall from Thailand. These are so cute. The hair ties. That's for coconut development. There are copra, coconut powder. These are ball copras. That's coconut sugar powder. To take this, this is my husband's favorite. There's a mouth freshener. From body butter to natural hair cream. That's a coconut soap. Tasted one of the yummiest thing. This tender coconut chips. How beautifully they made it with coconut shell. Is that an agarbatti stand? How much are these? 150. Coconut pickle, coconut powder, coconut pickle with mushroom. That's edible coconut oil. Got everything from coconut laddu to coconut jam. This is something first that I've seen. Coconut chutney. These are all handmade coconut chocolates. This is curtains. These cotton ones are of 2000 per piece. Look at the material. It's soft. It's pure cotton and it's all traditional. She has a lot of cushion covers. There's a table runner. This is a pure cotton. Actually take a tablecloth. Also you can match it up with your table place. Center tablecloth. Look how pretty this is. Wow. So just in case you want curtain, you can follow her page in Instagram and Facebook. Got dry oyster mushroom to oyster mushroom powder. There is shiitake mushroom. All you need to do is soak this in a little lukewarm water. Mushroom cakes, mushroom powder, added biscuits. I really loved this. This is perfect for your parathas, for your roti, for your puris. It's yum. It's chili, it's sweet, perfect combination. She has got this beautiful wall hanging and jewelry, all handmade. Bags. We have got like jackets, different jackets. These are jute jackets for you. Look at these. You can actually customize. Raj Lakshmi Saikya Lahon. I'm almost on the end of my Mela visit. I've shopped a lot already. And if you like my video on East Himalayan Trade Fair, do subscribe to my channel. Till then, lots of love. Take care.